Alright, here we go. Box number 10 overall. This is for Trip Dub, who picked box number 12. Good luck. Alright. Carlos Lee at 1350. Ian Kinsler and Nick Markakis. Off the back, number to 525, Alexi Ramirez. And number to 99, Alfonso Soriano. And the hit is a triple. That's pretty nice. All New York Mets ace. You got jersey of Tom Seaver, Nolan Ryan, and Johan Santana, number to 27. That's pretty cool right there. I like that one. Pack 2. Got Prince Fielder to 1350. Another redemption in here. Walter Johnson to 1350. Walter Johnson to 525. Brandon Webb 525. And Timmy Lincecum to 99. Redemption is the exact same one as the last one. Rookie / Rising Star Auto Relic of Ryan Braun. So that's back-to-back boxes, right? Back-to-back boxes. I mean, one was number 2 and one was number 12 or whatever, but Ryan Braun twice. So there's the Ryan Braun redemption and the triple jersey of the pitchers for the Mets. Peace. Alright, here we go. Box number 11 overall. And this is for Pro Sports Cards. He picked box number 1. There we go. Alright, we got Adrian Gonzalez, 1350, Matt Holliday, and Thurman Munson. Off the back to 525, Jake Peavy, and a Nate McLouth to 99. And the hit is a Josh Hamilton triple jersey, which says Hammer, Josh the Hammer Hamilton, number to 27. Am I trying to be like Tri-City? Yeah, it's my aspirations. I just want to be like Tri-City, wherever that is. Alright. Maybe a booklet, maybe. Come on. No. Sorry, thought it was. But it's not. Alright, here we go. We got Chase Utley, 1350. Honus Wagner. And Grady Sizemore. Off the back, number to 525, Mike Schmidt. And Carl Crawford to 99. And we got a triple. Sickness, 30 of 36, Ryan Howard, Albert Pujols, Miguel Cabrera, triple jersey, triple auto. Y. Pretty sick. There you go. Peace. Here we go. Box number 12 overall. Box number 10. Picked by CWC. The other box that I would have picked. The other box that I would have picked. Here we go. So now I got nothing. I don't even know what the heck I'm gonna pick next. But should put myself at the top of the list maybe. Here we go. Pack 1. Booklet. Son of a bitch. You fuckers took my cards. Alright, here you go. It's Alex Rodriguez with the 5 of 18 24 swatch, or the 12 swatch with 24 cuts. 11 season streak, 100 RBI, and 35 homers. A-Rod booklet. Sick. Very nice. A-Rod booklet. Alright. Pack number 2. Got George Sisler to 1350, Rogers Hornsby, and Carlos Quentin. Off the back, we got Tony Gwynn to 525, and Jorge Posada to 99. I fucking knew it. You fuckers. Triple auto. Giovanni Soto, Brian McCann, and Russell Martin, numbered to 18. 17 out of 18. What a crazy box. Crazy, crazy box. Triple auto and the A-Rod booklet. There you go, CWC. Peace.